Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Crazy Gamer. Today I'm gonna be guiding you through how to log out of your Facebook account in Mini Militia. To log out from Facebook in Mini Militia, launch open the Mini Militia app on your device and from the main menu, tap the gear icon in the top left corner to access the settings menu. Now, within the Accounts tab, you will see a Log Out button for whichever login options you've chosen. Since I've signed in with Facebook, it is showing me Log Out button right next to Login with Facebook. Simply tap on that and then you should be able to log out of the account. After logging out, you can choose to play as a guest or log in using a different method, and that's how it's easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Mini Militia tutorial. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.